it is given in this question x plus y is equal to 60, and we have to find the values for x and y when x y cube is maximum. Now, given x plus y is equal to 60 or y is equal to 60 minus x. Okay, now let p is equal to x y cube. Let us suppose that p is equal to x y cube. Now p is equal to x with 60 minus x cube. Now we can open this one for the derivative part, or we can directly use the product term. Differentiating with respect to x, dp by dx is equal to, now x, first function as it is, derivative of the second, 3 with 60 minus x whole square plus 60 minus x whole square with minus 1, with derivative for 60 minus x also, plus 60 minus x whole cube with 1. So what we are having now? We are having minus 3x with 60 minus x whole square plus 60 minus x whole cube. Again, to make it more simplify, what we can do it, we can take 60 minus x whole square common, and what is left? Minus 3x plus 60 minus x. Okay, so what we are having now? We are having 60 minus x whole square with 60 minus 4x. Again, we can take 4 common from here also. We are having 60 minus x whole square with 15 minus x. Okay, up to here we got it, this one. Now for maximum and minimum value, dp by dx is equal to 0. So we are having now 60 minus x whole square 15 minus x is equal to 0. Now 60 minus x is equal to 0, 15 minus x is equal to 0, x is equal to 60, x is equal to 50. Okay, so we are having two values for x, one is 60 and one is 50. Now we want maximum. Now how to find maximum? For that, what we are going to do? Second derivative test. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x again. Now what we are differentiating now? This part. Okay, so we are having now is equal, we are having now, we can use either this one or that, this one and the same thing. Okay, you can move for any of the part. So let's go with this one only. So we are having now 4, taking this outside as a constant term. Now first function and then second function, u or v. So 60 minus x whole square as it is, with derivative for 15 minus x, that is minus 1, plus 15 minus x as it is and derivative of 60 minus x whole square. So it becomes 60 minus x with minus 1. Okay, so this now we can write it 4 with negative of 1, 60 minus x whole square plus 2 negative of 2, negative of 2 with 15 minus x, 60 minus x. Is it clear? So now on solving this whole part, on solving now 60 minus x can be taken common. So we are having 4 minus 1, sorry, let me take common 60 minus x. 4 with 60 minus x taken common, we are left with now minus 1 with 60 minus x 1 plus minus 2 with 15 minus x. Is it clear? So now we are having 4 with 60 minus x, and now this becomes minus 60 plus x minus 30 plus 2x. So finally we are having now minus 12 with 60 minus x and 30 minus x. Okay, so now let's check it. Now f double derivative for 60. First we are having x equal to 60. Now this is equal to what? Minus 12 with 0 with 30 minus 60. That is minus 30. So what the result is? 0. 0 multiplied by any number. F 15. F double derivative 15 equal to minus 12 with 45 with 15, which is less than 0 because it is a negative number. Therefore, or you can hence therefore F15 we are having, therefore x is equal to 15 is a point of local maxima. Now when x is equal to we are getting 15, then y is equal to 60 minus x, because y is 60 minus x, so we get y is equal to 45. Is it clear? So now when x is equal to 15, y is equal to 45, x y cube is maximum. So like this we have to proceed for the double derivative test.